exploring the infinite journey within, the many paths of meditation. In this bustling chaos of modern life and quest for inner peace and clarity and spiritual awakening has led many of us to figure out what is the most profound way to meditate. While the concept of meditation is universal, it often, often differs from culture to culture, and it offers a diverse array of paths, each uniquely sculpted to cater to an individual's needs and aspirations. This journey, guided by ancient wisdom, is a transformative self exploration process. So, join me as I help you to navigate this rich tapestry of meditations, various pathways, each weaving a distinct story of self discovery and enlightenment. So just like there is one way to meditate, there are various opportunities or ways to connect with that creator, that internal state which you really wanted. We can call it God, we can call it Buddha state, we can call it the meditative state, we can call it the inner journey state. All lead to the process of your self discovery, and mindfulness is at the top of it. Mindfulness meditation is a deeply rooted teaching of Buddhism. It invites practitioners to actually observe their thoughts and emotions without judgment. And through this practice of being fully present in the moment, individuals can cultivate self awareness, reduce stress, and enhance an overall well being. Another form of meditation is transcendental meditation, and it's widely embraced, from repetition of mantras. It involves the silent repetition of a specific mantra, like probably Nam Myoho Renge Kyo. Now, that is another practice which can foster a deep reflection, relaxation, and inner peace. Third could be a loving and kindness meditation at the heart, like that of Chokok's way, right? So, at the heart of loving kindness meditation or the twin flame meditation lies the nurturing feeling of love, compassion, and goodwill towards oneself and others. Now, this kind of meditation nurtures empathy, emotional resilience, and a deep sense of interconnectedness. Next could also be Vipassana meditation, which is derived from the Theravada Buddhism Vipassana meditation, emphasizes on insights and self realization. Many a times, practitioners observe bodily sensations and mental processes to gain profound insights into the nature of reality. You could also have the Zen meditation, which centers on seated meditation or Zazen, a pathway to enlightenment. It involves attentively flowing the breath and observing the thoughts, ultimately leading to direct and non conceptual experience. You could also, attempt to do the chakra meditation or the yoga or the chakra meditation. Yoga seamlessly combines physical postures with meditation, harmonizing the relationship between your mind and body. Chakra meditation is an integral component of yoga and aligns and balances the body's energy centers. What I usually do, or what I work upon, is a guided meditation. And this is what I teach my students, or I take them through a guided meditation process, which I will be putting in, this meditation segment as well. So I'm not going to take you through it now, but in another segment, you will actually find the guided meditation process. All right, where where there is a recorded voice, and it takes you through the various aspects of visualization and relaxation, and makes it accessible for somebody who's beginning or who's even at the advanced level. What is the next one? It's body scan meditation. Body scan is all about scanning your entire body completely and scanning it for body tension and figuring out where there are certain body parts which have got stored tension and stress in the body. And when you focus on those parts, it helps you to relax and reduce your stress and also enhance your body awareness. Then there is your concentration meditation. When you concentrate on certain aspects of your life, and it could be a concentration on a particular thought, or it could be also on your breath or a candle flame. So that is another kind of meditation that you could do. And finally, there is the chanting or the mantra meditation, repeating the various mantras that you have learned, or affirmations, or any sacred connection that you have to a deity. You could use the mantra meditation. Few also go in for artistic meditation, where things like activities like painting, music, dance. Basically, all of these meditative processes take you to one zone, which is called as the flow zone. What is the flow zone? When your entire energy is completely in sync with the pathway of the universe. The universal pathways are so beautiful that they are like an interwoven piece of one fabric. And you could have, diverse experiences and insights, whether you are seeking stress relief, spiritual growth, or personal transformation. Meditations meditation can have a various profound impact, whichever pathway you choose. So there is no right or wrong way of doing meditation. And as you embark on this inward journey, you will discover that some path resonates with you, some parts of meditation do not resonate with you, and with that you will develop a unique way of self discovery and finding your inner peace. We all have our journeys and our processes, and that should really be helpful to each one of you. So, welcome, and let's begin on this amazing journey of developing your mindfulness and awakening process through meditational journey.